Hi, we're Aaron and Daniella, and let's be honest, the kitchen is the centerpiece of any real house. And for us, it's very important because it's a place where families and guests get to socialise.
We love food and we love entertaining. Our ultimate kitchen is so important for us. Not only do Smeg appliances look great,
but with their modern functions, they perform well and are best for cooking.
Congratulations. Thank you. Come into the kitchen.
Wow, Dee, I love what you've done with the kitchen.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love all the Smeg appliances.
How amazing is our built-in coffee machine? Aaron loves it.
Mate, how many ovens do you need in this place?
Just 2, mate. But you know, dinner's cooking, so you know, I like to get in there. Don't feel that, boys. Isn't it amazing? No heat transfer at all.
Microwaves built in as well?
Yeah, microwaves built in as well. So microwave ovens, and they're in the compact unit, so you split it up. So we've got chickens up on top, and we've got all the veggies sitting down below. Everything's cooking away nicely. Beautiful.
Those chickens look good.
Let's face it, I may not be the world's best cook,
But with Smeg Smart Sense Plus, it makes cooking foolproof.